Meaning of hereof.
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 Hereof. Hereof is an adverb that means of this or concerning this. It is often used in legal or formal documents to refer to a specific part of the document or agreement. For example, if a contract includes a clause about payment terms, a lawyer might say the parties have agreed to the payment terms as stated hereof. In essence, hereof serves to clarify which specific part of the document is being referred to in a given context, providing important context and clarity to legal and contractual language.